Hey little monsters, and welcome back to my channel. I'm starting off my work week with a Bento box. So I have here my newest box. This is the Bento Modern. This is my box and not my son's, and I love it. I love having my own. So inside I made a panini. I have here a ciabatta roll, and then I added some roasted chicken in here. I got one of those rotisserie chickens and just pulled the chicken breast out of it. So I have that, mozzarella cheese, and then some red onion in here. I would have loved to add some tomato. I think that'd be perfect, but I didn't have any left. So that is something I'll try for next time. Have some jalapeno kettle chips here, Milano cookies, blackberries, and strawberries. That's gonna be my main lunch. For breakfast, I'm just probably gonna eat this chocolate croissant. I have a snack pack here from Sargento of cheese and crackers as well that I'll probably be nibbling on. And then I also have a Nature Bakery oatmeal crumble bar. So that's what I'm bringing to work along with my thermos. I have an orange slice in there just for some extra flavoring. And then I have my larger one that I'll refill up throughout the day. Have a monster-fit day, guys. Bye. Hey guys, so for work lunch today, I'm going to be using some Planet boxes. These are the same boxes I use for my son. This is the Planet Box Shuttle. Inside the shuttle, I just have an apple sliced up. I have a cup of peanut butter to go with that, and then I have some mini pretzels. I'm going to have that for breakfast. Then for lunch, I have the Planet box. This is the lunch. And for the lunch, I did make my son some chicken quesadillas today, so I am doing the same for myself. I have here just 2 tortillas, chicken and cheese, and then I'm adding a cup of guac to go with that. I got these from Costco, and then I have some tortilla chips to kind of eat with the guac as well. I have 2 of the pods here from Planet Box, so I have some cookies for dessert, and then I have some blueberries in here. And then I'm just going to be bringing some snacks. I have some strawberry pocky sticks and then this Nature Bakery oatmeal crumble bar that I'll just snack throughout the day if needed. I have my thermos of water and then my larger refillable one, and that's what I'm bringing to work today. Have a good day, guys. Bye. Hey guys, I'm at the end of my work week, and today I'm going to start off using the Bento Kids snack container. I love that this is so compact and everything. I use this for my son for snack time, but I'm taking it for myself today. I got some strawberries and some blackberries in here, and then I have some Teddy Grahams. These are the chocolate chip flavor. So that's going to be kind of like my breakfast. Then for my lunch, I just grabbed this out of the fridge. I actually have leftover takeout from the other day. So this is butter chicken with some basmati rice. I know it looks like a complete mess here, but it's just leftovers and I already cut it up into pieces. So that is what I'm going to be bringing for lunch. And then for dessert, I also hit up a local Korean bakery, and I love their pastries. So in here, this is actually just like one of those Rubbermaid plastic containers. But in here is a blueberry and cream cheese pastry. So it looks so delicious. That's going to be like my dessert for later in the day. I have a LaCroix guava with me today, which sometimes I do like to have like some kind of sparkling water, especially with like foods like this, just so I don't get like any kind of heartburn with that. And then I have my regular thermos of water and then my refillable one. And that is what I am bringing to work today. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so, as I do try to put out weekly school lunches. And then I do try to put out lunches for work as well, just to give you guys ideas on like how to pack for both occasions. And obviously you can mix and match them based on whatever needs you have. So that is what I have for this week. If you guys want to also follow me at Little Monster Eats on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube Shorts, and also on Instagram. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a monster-ific week. I'll see you next time. Bye.